They hated on my toolbox so bad. I built this whole thing for free. I got these drawer pulls, these slides, I got these hinges, all out of the trash. This was a shop vac or something. Comes right out. Old broken, what is that? A broken sweeper thing, broken flag thing, all out of the trash. Got me a magnet from Harbor Freight. Built these drawers out of old trash from the wine boxes my boss was gonna throw away. Everything. Woodworking, hooks, screws, extra tools, more magnets, extra 10 mil. Check this out. Bam, baby. I even got that thing out of the trash because it was broken too. These, trash. Built these out of pallets. Made these hooks, glued these magnets, screwed those on, built this little flip out drawer, built this little flip in drawer. Boom, more. Guess what? There's more. But wait, there's more. There's more. And then around the back, made that little guy. Free cup, little holder deal, clamps, magnets, pocket holes, clamps, sandpaper, light, discs. This is one of those camera deals. All my paint. We got, check this out. Check this out. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, we gotta fix that. Spray paint. This whole thing, even the wheels, all of it. I haven't paid $1. I got these with stuff in it. I made this for this thing. This has stuff in it and hangy stuff. What else? What else? Sweet torque wrench. Holders, hangers, drills, glue holder. I made this whole thing. All of it. All of it. Nothing. $0. And then these will go here. And it will be complete. But we need to buy more wine. We need more wine boxes. This toolbox is almost there. Tell me what you guys think. I love it. I think it's my favorite thing I've ever made.